Let's talk about enhancing your communications by using Motorola Solutions DTR700 radio. I'm going to unbox one so that you can see what you get when you purchase this two-way radio. Hello, I'm Holly Smith, Order Management Specialist for Wireless Solutions, a value-added Motorola Solutions distributor. I'm going to show a DTR700 and tell you why it's a great two-way radio choice. First, it has a range of call options, unparalleled audio quality, and advanced privacy settings. The DTR700 radio works great at schools, healthcare facilities, doctors' offices, warehouses, restaurants, and property management. Second, the DTR700 has impressive coverage capabilities. It covers up to 350,000 square feet and 30 floors, so that you can trust the DTR700 radios to keep your team connected at most single-site locations. It's also capable of supporting up to 200 individual contacts or groups with 50 available channel slots per radio. It operates in the 900 MHz frequency range using Motorola proprietary frequency hopping technology, and it is also FCC license free, which saves you money because you don't have to pay for a license. Another great thing is that this radio is digital, giving it enhanced range and noise cancellation and a longer battery life, which is very important. It works great indoors and outdoors. These radios also come with the standard replacement 2-year warranty. So now that I've covered a little bit about the radio, let's look at what comes in the box. First, we have the DTR700 radio. It's durable and rugged. It will meet the demands of any workplace. And then we have, inside the box, we have a lithium-ion battery. We have the drop-in charger kit. We have the swivel holster, and of course the user guide. You can also add on a remote shoulder mic and multi-unit chargers. They don't come in the box, but they are great options. That's what's in the box. So if you have any questions about the DTR700 radio, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching.